Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to speed up your LCD or a TV. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your settings of your TV. After that scroll down and go to your device preferences. After doing this that, go to your about section. Scroll down and find out a build number. Now here is a build. Now press 7 times. Now you can see that a developer options enabled. Go back and go to your developer options. Now here is a developer options. Open it, scroll down and find out a now here is a first is a Windows animated scale. Select animated off, transition animated scale, select off, and after that select animated duration scale off. Scroll down. Now here is a select a background process limit. Select and select a no background process. Scroll down and go back. After doing this that, use it. I hope your TV or LCD speed up. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.